here is the Ultimate Edition Series 13 Hulk Hogan. So you got the interchangeable heads. It looks really nice, this figure. Really nice. This is an unboxing and review on Shield Generation RKO Ultimate Edition 13 Hulk Hogan. Really nice. Height 6'7" 2.01 meters. From Venice Beach, CA. Finisher Atomic Red Drop. Career highlight WWE Champion. Ultimate Edition logo there, of course. Hogan figure. Hogan in action. Real life. Hulk Hogan there. The words. With the power of Hulkamania and the electricity of millions of screaming Hulkamaniacs on his side, there's nothing in the world that can take down the Hulkster brother. So what you gonna do when Hulk Hogan and his 24-inch pythons run wild on you? Hogan on the side. Hulk Hogan on the side there. Ultimate Edition logo. Hogan up top. WWE logo there. Just some information there. I'll get it open. And here is the Hogan figure. Right there. So, Hulkamania is running wild. And here we have, what's it say? Well, let me tell you something, Mean Gene. I have Mean Gene, actually. And there's the normal stuff, what it says about Ultimates. Right. In the packaging, we have a hand that fell off. There's one there as well. I think, are they fisted hands? Yeah, you got fisted hands there. You got hands that go do, I think we are the ones, but don't know what it means when Hogan does it. Oh yes, we got a WWE title, a very old version of the WWE title actually, with Hogan. Actually, I'm gonna keep that out. You got two interchangeable heads. There you go. And of course you got Hogan. Oh, he's taped him. I hate it when they tape them in. Well, you got a little Hulkamania vest in red. I do have it over there though. The ultimate thing. You take them out. Also, what is this? We got that. We have got Hulk Hogan here with a little band. We got some band on his head. Oh yeah, you got a Hulkster band. Hulkster. Really nice. Really nice figure that. Really nice. I really like that. I'm actually going to keep it out. Normally I put my Ultimates back in the box, but obviously with Ultimates I keep the box to keep the accessories in. So let's pop this back into the box. Yep, there we go. Obviously his accessories are in there. He is here. Really nice figure. I don't know which is my favourite Hogan Ultimate. Oh, obviously I've got the belt here. I'm keeping the belt out as well. That's Hogan. So yeah, really nice figure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ultimate Edition unboxings and reviews and more Hulk Hogan unboxings and reviews. That belt is cool. Thanks for watching.